Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be unboxing YENA's Season's Greetings. So we got it right here. So you can see it's called The Game because it's themed after, so you can play a game with it, which is kind of cool. In the group order I joined for this, from the shop, I believe it was Utopiana or something like that. There was pre-order cards for like bonus cards you can use, so we'll see which ones we got from that. So we got this one here, and we got this one, and that one. That one's cute. Pretty thick cards, so I guess we'll kind of see later on what you do with these or something, hopefully. So we'll get right into it. So as you can see, this is the box. It's pretty big. So let's see what we got. Alrighty. So like its actual board game, it'll open up like that. Okay, so this is starter cards. Got our calendar here. Our planner. Maybe this is like the rules or the scorecard type thing. And then there's the board game itself. So I guess we'll open this up. Let's see, do I have my knife so I don't have to tear open the top? Yeah, cool. That way I can just put them all back in there after. Here we have our cards here. Pretty cute. I think that was, yeah, back to the beginning. So those are pretty cool. We'll take a look at this next. Okay, so there's like a bingo type thing. Yeah, so this is, I was right, this is kind of like the thing to play it with. We'll take a look at the planner here. So it's kind of like a photo book, and I assume gonna be like a little calendar planner thing in one, which is kind of cool. Kind of got that comic book style too, which is pretty sick. I remember from all the like teaser photos or whatever, I really liked the outfits, and I like the concept too a lot. So yeah, then it's just like a normal planner type deal. So that's kind of cool. We'll take a look at the desk calendar here first. Next. Interestingly enough, this is like shrink wrapped rather than the normal sticky like sleeve type deal they do. That's kind of interesting. So here we go. So we got a photo there, a photo there. Guess we'll kind of do it like that or something. Pretty nice looking calendar. I like the whole comic theme type deal it's got going on. I think this was my favorite outfit in the entire thing. So yeah, that was the calendar, and then as usual it's just like one of those standy ones, you can just do that. So I guess last thing is we'll kind of get the last of the stuff out here and see what the game stuff is. Okay, so there is instructions in English, thank God. I was kind of worried about that. So you do get a 6-sided die. Nothing special there. Get these actually pretty heavy duty plastic game pieces. This is gonna be the board. Which is all in Korean, sadly. But maybe it tells you in the instructions what the blue and the red stuff mean, hopefully. We have some cards as well. Okay, of just like the players, that's pretty cool. All the points, it looks like. In the cards, so you can draw stuff or whatever. Yes, you get points. So yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Maybe like one day, if you guys want, we can like, I can make like a tutorial or something if I get someone to play with me, you know, have a little show so you can see what to do with it. But this is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more, because we got, which will be going up after this video, probably the next day. We got Itzy's Season's Greetings up next. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.